Nature is where we see it most, the perfect shape. Our challenge is, and always was, making these shapes reality. That's why we start where others are already giving up. We bring car designs to life. Welcome to EBZ. We design and build systems for car body production all around the world. We use innovative methods, and as a leading integrator, we are continuously developing new technologies. We do not make promises we can't keep, and there's not much we can't do. To make sure we keep things this way, our employees are continuously developing systems and tools which are highly precise, efficient, and reliable. We are not just satisfied with the status quo, especially if there are intricate designs to deliver. 70% of our tools are used to produce outer skin panels, and therefore the most demanding deep-drawn shapes in car body construction. Our distinctive expertise in process planning and simulation comes into its own here. The ultimate achievement, the side panel. Here, our engineering competence merges with experienced craftsmanship in the tryout area. This integrated expertise is one of EBZ's key success factors. It allows us to reach for the sky and explore the limits of feasibility. Even the most progressive ideas can take shape. Reliable, well thought out, and at the highest level. Swabian precision, as you have come to expect. This also applies to planning entire factories and building complete production lines. Starting in our factory where all processes are run, tested, and optimized in 3D simulation, progressing all the way to virtual commissioning. Or later, on-site, at the customer's home plant, where the finished facility is set up for the first time. The press tools for steel or aluminum components are installed in the presses, and the process engineering design by EBZ delivers optimized cycle times. With the perfection of the complete process, the detail of our high-quality standards is clear to see. From reliable design to efficient realization. We live and breathe automotive. We will not finish until you are satisfied. So we will always accept any challenge to give a design its perfect shape. EBZ Automotive. Challenge accepted.